Okay guys, welcome back. B is for Boost. And today we are kind of doing a little bit of a change up. So if you were following the build before, Jeff had a red SX 2.0. Now that car was in pretty decent shape. It needed some quarter panel work, which I'm sure you guys are aware of. It was going to go 2.4 NA. It was a 5-speed. It was a single overcam automatic. We ended up finding this Neon, so it's an 05.
That's 03.
0305, same style, don't care. It's a Neon RT, which means it has a factory lip kit on it, which actually the side skirts were factory, the front and rear lip was kind of an add-on option, and it was already a 5-speed. So when I'm showing you this car, guys, it is a wrap on it, so you'll see that it's kind of a nice wrap, but it's wrapped. We've already peeled the roof and the passenger side of the car, so it's black right now. So what we did was we took this car, which we were going to use for parts originally. When it got here, we were like, hey, you know, this car is pretty well in the same kind of shape Jeff's car is in, but it's already a 5-speed. So if it was already a 5-speed, there was no point of swapping an auto to a 5-speed and all the other usual stuff that comes with it. We decided to use this car as the shell. So this car, we're going to do a complete body job on. Let me show you what we're working with. So you will see that we already have the SRT hood on it because that was off of Jeff's car. We do have a nice video of how to re-clear this. I'll link to the top right hand corner. And then we get this side, it's already black. We were peeling off the vinyl to see what we had. So it's no different than Jeff's car. It's going to need quarter panels on both sides, as you can see. This side's going to need a dog leg repair. So we're going to do it. So we do have 2 full rockers we're going to jump into putting on right away. We have 1 quarter that we have patched. And then we have this quarter that we have to actually make patches for because we couldn't find a good one. So the plan of this is, well, let's get it on the road with a new paint job, make it look nice. It's already a 5-speed for now, so I think we're going to leave it a single red cam until spring, and then Jeff plans on swapping the 2.4 in it, which we do have like header, cams. It should be, you know, an NA bolt-on car, which should make it pretty fun. So with that being said, let's jump into back bumper has to come off, tail lights have to come out, side skirts have to come off at least one side of the car so we can start patching it, and then he's gonna have to come back the next day to do the other side if he doesn't have time today. So basically we need the back bumper off, which means we can start patching the quarter panel, and then get the side skirts off so we can start patching.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
see that Jeff got the front end off the car. Maddie, Jeff's girlfriend, got the wrap off this side of the car. And now it's ready to basically start doing some body work. So the mirror still needs to come off. The door trim still needs to come off. We're not going to worry about the wing because we have a black trunk lid with no spoiler that we're going to use that we had off one of my XRTs. So it will go to show you that there is quite a bit of rust on this side. And then the rockers are pretty well non-existent.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause some pain, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, I'll live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you.
Just doing the same thing as always. Seems to always fall back on body work. So I'm just going to pick out these small dents here and just save some time to get this done and ready for primer, and then we'll start welding in the quarter panels, the dog legs, the other quarter panel, and both rockers. So if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe, turn on post notifications, because I think this is going to be a fun little build to see. The 2-4 swap with a big set of cams should sound pretty nasty, and well, it should look the part as well. So we'll definitely catch you on the next one, guys.